Hello everyone. Happy January 8th. Today we celebrate bubble baths, Elvis Presley, and the joy of relaxation and music. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Bubble Bath Day, a bubbly celebration of self-care. A great gift could be a bath bomb set, a waterproof book, or a spa candle. How do you relax? Let's soak the comments. It's Elvis Presley's birthday, honoring the king of rock and roll. A thoughtful gift could be a vinyl record, a biography, or a themed t-shirt. What's your favorite Elvis song? Let's sing in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's National English Toffee Day, a sweet treat for candy lovers. A sweet gift could be a toffee sampler, a candy-making kit, or a festive tin. Do you prefer crunchy or chewy? Let's sweeten the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 6th to 10th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.